Yo, what's going on, guys? How's it going? So I just want to say I hope everybody's been having a great day, because this will, guys, will try to will make you guys have an even better day. So, one thing that helps your YouTube channel get like lots of views and lots of subscribers is the structure of it. So like the intro, like thumbnail and stuff. So we're gonna focus on how to make like a really cool YouTube intro. It's kind of, you can make one like I just made one in the beginning of the video. So I made an intro. Don't copy me, please don't. So anyway, I'll show you guys how to make an intro. So on the App Store, you want to search up. It's an app called Intromate. It's here, let me see. Just to load. I'm really sorry. It costs money, but wait, this thing has to load. Oh, here we go. So intro mate. There we go. So it's $3. Maybe some people don't like buying stuff, so I will teach you guys a method so you guys don't have to buy it. You guys can get it for 100% free. I think yeah, I'm pretty sure like they patched like the developer like profile things, so you can't become unverified now. So you pretty much have it forever until you reset your device. You just do it all over again. Try not to jinx it or anything, but pretty sure it's gone. So intro maker. So what you want to get it free is you want to download an app called Tutu app. So I'm gonna download this app. Actually, you hit install now. It should install for you. You become a VIP. So, yeah. So the app is right here. Tutu app. Okay, wait for everything to load. I'm gonna search up Intromate and then intro. Search it up, and it should come up. Here it is. You hit this, and it should download and install. Goes onto your screen. Oh, and here's another app that gives you all kinds of like new features. I'm not gonna show you guys in this video, but it gives you all kinds of different features for your intro, so you guys can download this too. Install. I'm not gonna go over it or anything, but you guys can install it if you want. Wait for it to install. Delete and go try it again. No, I'll stop the video here and I'll show you guys when it's done. So while I was waiting, I didn't feel like waiting anymore. So because I thought about that we're not doing it in this video, so I might as well just skip it. So once you have Intromate, go on the Intromate. Here are my projects. Made my intro so far. There's my intro right there. Cosmos. So you can pick one. Let's say you want so you want this one, glitch. So you go over it. Okay, so once you go in it like this, hit text. So you can do like, okay, you can do like You can do like YouTube. So you want YouTube. Intro. Do like and subscribe. Then start all over. Intro, like, subscribe. So you can change, like, say you want to change, like, the color. So you want the color to be really. So you want it to be, like, blue. So yeah. Then you can just set it in your camera roll for like a 4K 60 frames per second high, and it takes about 15 seconds for it to go to your camera roll. So don't save because I'm not gonna need it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this video was useful. Because most of you can make intros now, and because it's just really easy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya. Sorry. Deuces.